Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to deactivate Messenger account. So to do that, let's head over to Messenger. And here, as you can see, I'm in my Messenger account. I'm heading over to the menu. And here, going to the settings. And here, if I scroll to the bottom, as you can see, there is no option where I can deactivate our Messenger. So what I need to do is just to head over to my corresponding Facebook account. And once I'm in there, you have to head over to the three lines icon in the top right. Now go to the settings. Now from here, you have to go to your account center. Now you have to go to your information and permissions, or you can go back and go to personal details and go to account ownership and control. And from here, you can deactivate or delete your Facebook account. And beforehand, if you just deactivate your account really like this, your messenger won't be deactivated. So you have to log out of your messenger for that to deactivate with your Facebook account too. So we are gonna head over to our activity log in here in your activity section. And in here, go to your security and login information, or go to direct logged information. I'm going to security and login information and go to where you are logged in. And here you can find the places in which you are logged in. So you have to log out from each one of them till the first one, and don't log out from the topmost one. And once you are done from logging out the rest of them, you can go back and deactivate your account as we usually do from our account center, and going to the personal details and going to account ownership and control, then deactivation or deletion, and here set up the Facebook account and now deactivate your account. Here you have to give your account's password, and then your account will be deactivated with your messenger account too. So yeah, this is how you can deactivate your messenger in 2025 version of Facebook. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.